guys, here, whenever here, welcome to a video, and I found some sort of bird here. It's kind of walking its path. Yeah, it's just walking along here, wandering around. But yeah, I thought this would be amazing to watch. This bird. Yeah, because I haven't made a video in, I don't know, 3 months. This bird's just waddling around. Bird! Bird! Say hi into the camera. Oh my god, look at that. Anyway. So yeah, I guess this was an update / video. I don't know. What you call it? What do you call this? Right here, the center of... Whoa, I'm hacking. Welcome to my house. Anyway, this minute, whatever, signing out. You can with those flappy legs, bye.